Hello, everyone. Welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the process of updating your account name on Windows 10. Each of us has a unique login name on our Windows computers, and I'll show you a couple of methods to change it. Now, let's dive into the tutorial. If you're utilizing a local account, meaning you don't have a Microsoft email linked to your login credentials, here's what you need to do. Simply type Control Panel in your search bar. Once it appears as the best match, click on it. Ensure your view is set to large icons by clicking the drop-down menu in the top right and selecting Large Icons. Now, locate and click on User Accounts. This method applies to earlier Windows versions like Windows 7, 8, or 8.1. Once you're in the User Accounts section, click on Change the Account Name or a similar option. Enter the new account name and click Change Name. That's it, your username has been successfully updated. Now, if you're using a Microsoft-based account, close the Control Panel and type Settings in your search bar. Click on Settings and then navigate to Account Settings. On this page, you'll see an option for your account details. If you have a Microsoft account, you'll find a button to manage it. Clicking on this will take you to the Microsoft website, where you can edit your name under the Edit Name section. Make the changes, save, and you're done. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. As always, thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to guiding you in the next tutorial. Goodbye, everyone.